Hi, good afternoon. I'm Hermie Lim. So we are just about to conclude the Bataan Loop of Motorcycle Republic. No? It's a very interesting activity. It's a very interesting loop. We started at about 4:30 in the morning, and right now it's 3:35. We'll probably need about another 2.5 hours to get to our individual homes. Ano? So that's from 4:30 in the morning to about 6 o'clock. Siguro ang tinakbo namin would be around 475 kilometers, maybe even 500 for some of those that will be going home to Cavite, Laguna, and so on. Ano. Yung mga pinuntahan naming lugar are actually quite interesting, fun, and worth going to. First stop namin was Marilao, Petron Marilao, where everybody met. And then, nung nakumpleto na kami, we rode out. The first place that we went to after Petron Marilao was Triboa Cafe, where we had breakfast. I ordered their parang longganisa with egg and rice, and it was very tasteful. Masarap siya. I think they call it chorizo log, if I'm not mistaken. The others ordered different cuisines, like the traditional tapsilog, and they told me na they also enjoyed their food. So after Triboa Cafe, the next stop was Bagak Viewpoint. We spent a few minutes to relax, look at the view, pahinga ng konti. After that, we went to Batanes, which is parang a shortened coin for Batanes in Bataan. So doon, maganda yung view, very picturesque. You see the sky and the mountains were met in between by the clouds. No? Magandang dalhin yung mga motor nyo doon, tapos mag-picture-picture, and that's what we did. And then after that, Imaflora Pampangan, it's a buffet type meal, very affordable. My favorite is yung chicken curry. And then if and when you come here, I recommend you also try the halo-halo because it's very tasteful.
Si Flor Enriquez, yung may-ari dati dito, yung nag-umpisa nitong Flor's Carinderia. Tapos naging improve na. Ngayon, ganito na, maganda ng naging takbo ng harap buhay nila. 1972 pa, bata pa ako, talagang hilig ko. Ito na, ang kung sino man ang gustong magpunta rito, kung yung mga taga-state nga nagpupunta rito pagka dumarating sila, kasi naaalala pa nila to O yun, mga galing ng mga refugee yan, na pag nila, dito na sila nagpupunta. Kaya invite ko na sila, dito na sila mag-start, gusto nila. Pero magugustuhan derma nila, masarap ang pagkain namin hanggang ngayon.
So, hi! Ako po si Bobby. Ito naman ang aking anak na si Chester. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Imas, kung saan kami nagtanghalian. So, galing po kami sa Bataan Loop. So, ang sarap ng aming reg ngayon. Binigyan kami ng magandang araw. Mainit, pero mahangin naman. So, maganda yung experience namin ngayon. Dadiretso sana kami ng Mount Samat, kaya lang kulang yung oras namin. So, napagkasunduan ng grupo na dumiretso na at kumain dito sa restaurant. Napakasarap na pagkain dito. Maraming salamat po sa Motor Republic at Motorcycle Republic. So, maraming salamat po.
Jojo sa Motor Republic. So, nasa last stop na tayo ngayon, no? Nasa Imas tayo. So, we just had our lunch. Ito lang yung mga nakakalungkot parate pagka nasa dulo na tayo ng masayang ride. No? So, ngayon medyo malaki yung grupo na sumama. We are more than 30 riders. Actually, kami nila Zoe, mga 10 kami, na second loop namin to. So, dahil nung unang ginawa namin siya, maganda yung ruta ng Bataan Loop. At saka hindi masyado malayo sa atin sa Metro Manila. So, inengganyo natin yung mga ibang kasamahan natin na riders sa club na ulitin natin. So, yung ginawa namin na route ngayon actually, exactly the same nung ginawa namin ni na Zoe dati nung first Bataan Loop namin. Hapon na ngayon, so pabalik tayo sa Manila. Nagpapasalamat tayo na nag-enjoy lahat. Walang na-aksidente. We had a little late na lunch today, so past 2 na tayo nakapag-lunch, pero worth it. Yung mga pinuntahan natin dito na local na tourism spots nila, worth the trip na nagagawin natin kasi dito lang sa Bataan nila ino-offer yon, yung Little Baguio, yung Little Batanes. If you have been to Batanes, the island, malapit talaga yung itsura ng Little Batanes nila dito. I've never seen a very similar place na comparable dun sa Batanes Island talaga na napuntahan ko dati nung namasyal ako. So kung meron kayong panahon to do the exact route, the exact Bataan Loop na ginawa ng Motorcycle Republic, gawin nyo lang, mag-enjoy kayo. And don't forget to plot yung mga breakfast areas nyo. Pwede nyo subukan yung ginawa namin sa Treboa Cafe. And definitely, huwag nyo i-miss out itong dito sa Imaflora. Dito kayo mag-lunch kahit na medyo late kasi it's worth it. For 300 pesos, sulit na sulit yung pagkain ninyo. Maraming salamat!
Just like fate without no warning, it hit me so hard.
Ngayong araw, pinabilib mo kami, probinsya ng Bataan. Napakagandang mga tanawin, makasaysayang mga lugar at saka mga kalsadang hindi pa natutuklasan ang pina-experience mo sa amin today. Alam mo, napakarami talagang lugar dito sa Pilipinas na napakagandang puntahan. Tapos, idagdag mo pa lang nakamotor ka, sobrang fulfilling sa pakiramdam. So, iwanan ko na lang kayo ng tanong. Kailan nyo ito gagawin? My name is Zoe, and this is Motorcycle